Good morning. 8:09 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3/16 of calendar 2013. I have presented right now the eBay, and I'm going to draw on the weekly chart. I'm going to draw where eBay had a major resistance level up here, but let's take a look at calendar 2013. eBay has pulled back and broke that 2013 low, and it's coming back to the 2012 lows right about here across this ridge. Now, when eBay reported its last quarterly earnings report, they did quite well. And like anything that gets overbought on a weekly level, such as this one, and we were up here at 93% DS when we were up here at the highs, and it had to come down, and it has. It doesn't move a lot. You can see the 4-week reversal here in play to support level. We will be a dip buyer, and not only that, when we start the quarterly earnings, when eBay comes up on the block to report those earnings, is what the growth story with PayPal, and why is PayPal going to make a lot of headwinds for their growth, and there's other rollouts that are in there. So once again, it's about finding where these stocks have broken out, where the prior earnings quarters had got them up here to these highs, and what eBay will be like. Right now it's below the 20-week moving average, and it broke below the 10-week moving average, and it's at a major support level. One of the things that I will tell you now, one of the things that I would like to point out is that we are in a very, very extreme bull market at the moment that's totally overbought. But here are the earnings. They were going to report April 17th after the market. The last quarter, on January quarter, fiscal Q4, the actual number that they came in was 70 cents. That was a penny ahead of estimates. And the prior quarters, as that we can see this, we'll go over this at another time. I just want to mark to market that the estimates are for 62 cents a share, and we will take a look that on March 28th they're going to have a major investor and analyst day for eBay, and that's going to be on this date, and I want everyone to mark it down. eBay Inc. upcoming events. And one of the things that we take a lot of pride in is how to trade that news. And also when they present on March 28th, it'll be in San Jose, California. eBay at that time, and I'm going to put remind me, sign up for an email alert. You click on it, MMT, and you put your name in here. In this case, I'm doing it all right now. I'll put my email in here. Mario1 at Stock Market Funding, title, owner. And my profile, well, what am I? I am a other. I'm going to type in the number that it's required, 109, and this is how you do it, MMTs. 183, and then you hit submit. This way, verification email is going to be sent. This is how we will be updated about events and presentations, financial releases, financial metrics, stock information, corporate governance, annual reports, SEC information requests, and once again, doing your homework that people don't like to do. They're lazy. We're not lazy. So, I'm putting this on our list. I've got the earnings set up for April 17th. We'll watch how this thing trades. I will set alarms if it breaks these support levels. Once it gets on sale going into the earnings, and it's had a 4-week reversal, and it still has a, it just got too overbought in a shorter time frame. But you want to buy quality stocks within the new bull market that we have going on now. You want to be able to buy these dips. We have to go through the reports. We'll do the right thing, and we will put our big account holders that are looking for growth yield this would be one of the stocks that we choose. And this is the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, it's broke. That's what it looks like there. But we're going for the fundamentals, and we're going to where that this stock would be on sale. And it would be on sale right down here. If we can get down here toward this area, if we break this major support level, we can see that we have this area, what used to be resistance right over in here. We break up, and we're going to look to see how this level and this particular moving average is a 50-week. And it's right down here, and that's at $47.21. This is where this stock would find substantial support. And once again, it's all about these particular trend lines that I have drawn is right over here in this weekly consolidation period. Before, for a number of weeks, we went up and it held this area, and then you broke out to all-time highs. And this is what happens in bull trends. Bull trends need to sell down and give people an opportunity to get in off of the sideline that didn't buy it. Once again, we view eBay as one of the leaders, and the growth story is going to be in that PayPal.